lunchbox. Welcome to the Fizzy Show! Oops, wrong place.
I've never seen that before.
Oh, no. Oh, dear. I hope this green pipe's not broken.
Did you hear that?
Nope. Wrong again.
Hello.
Ah, Mamma Mia! Oh, Phoebe, you scared me.
Oops, sorry. Mariel, you've been jumping in and out of that pipe for ages. I'm here. Is everyone all right? Miss Hands, we need
Fizzy, I'm not hurt.
But I heard a scream. Yeah, that was me. I made him jump. Oh, Phoebe. Oh, dear. Oh, that panic's made me hungry. I know a way to help.
Lunchtime.
Awesome sauce. Hey, Mariel, since you're a guest here and also stuck, we'll make you a lunchbox.
Woohoo! But, I haven't made a lunch for a while. Luigi usually helps me.
That's all right, Mariel. We'll help you. Miss Hands, we need a hand.
Hey, Fizzy and Phoebe. Hey, everyone. It's me, Miss Hands. And Mario, what are you doing here? The green pipe is broken, so I'm kind of stuck here. Oh, no. Would you like a sandwich? Woohoo! A ham and cheese sandwich, please. All right, Mario. 1 ham and cheese sandwich coming right up. All right, first up, we need to butter 2 slices of bread. Perfect! Now for the ham. Now for the cheese. You've guessed it. Now we got to squish it together. Hey Mario, would you like a star power-up sandwich? Oh yes, please, Miss Hands. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take my star cookie cutter and squish. Give it a wiggle. All right, let's see if this worked. Perfect! We've got 1 star ham and cheese sandwich, bud. I think we could do one better. I'm gonna go ahead, take another slice of cheese, take our cookie cutter and give it a little wiggle. And now I'm gonna place it on the top. Perfect! Now it looks like a star, but it doesn't quite look like a star power-up, so I know! I'm gonna use this edible ink marker to draw on 2 eyes. Aw, so cute! What do you think, Mario? Woohoo! It's perfect! Thank you, Miss Hands. That's all right, Mario. Let's go ahead and put it into your lunchbox. All right, Mario, let's open up your lunchbox and place your star power-up ham and cheese sandwich inside. Uh-oh, we're gonna have to squish it a little. Perfect! All right, what's next? Next, I thought we could make some mini toads. All right, let's go. All right, to make our mini toads, we're gonna need some cheese and some raspberries. First up, we need to cut our cheese into small rectangles. But don't forget to always get a grown-up to help. Now you want to go ahead, place your cheese into your raspberry. Perfect! They're already looking very toadish. Now we need to use our edible ink marker to draw on 2 eyes. Aw, super cute. All right, now for a couple of white spots on the top. Aw, look how cute our mini toads are. What do you think, Mario? I think they're totally awesome. Good joke, Mario. Let's put them in the lunchbox. All right, off we go. All right, time to place our mini toads in our lunchbox. But where should we put them?
I know!
Where, Phoebe?
Over here!
Good idea. Perfect. Now time for a yummy sweet treat. All right. I love sweet treats. Okay, can you guess what it is, Mario? I'll give you 2 clues. Clue number 1, you find them shining bright in the sky. A rocket! Not quite, Mario. Clue number 2, it's similar to our sandwich. I know. It's chocolate stars. That's right. All right, here come some flying chocolate stars. Woohoo! Perfect, but what should we do for your lunchbox now?
I know!
What is it, Phoebe?
Cheese and ham pizza slices! My favorite!
All right, Phoebe, come on, let's go! All right, first of all, we need to take our rectangular cheese and cut it into a pizza slice. But remember, always get a grown-up to help. Perfect! Good job, everyone! Now we're gonna take our ham and tear off tiny little pieces. Now place them on your cheese pizza slice. Ta-da! What do you think, Phoebe?
They look delicious! I want to eat one!
No, Phoebe!
Oops! Sorry!
Mamma mia! What are we gonna do?
Don't worry, Mario. We'll repair it with some fizzy magic! Fizzy, whizzy, bobbity bop!
Woohoo! I wish I could repair water pipes that quickly. Wow, Fizzy, your magic is amazing!
Thanks, Mario. Miss Hands, let's put these cheese and ham pizza slices into Mario's lunchbox.
Good idea, Fizzy. All right, here we go! All right, let's go ahead, open your lunchbox, and place 1, 2 cheese and ham pizza slices into your lunchbox.
What next? I'm so hungry! Phoebe, this lunchbox is for Mario, not for you. Aw, I'm just so hungry.
It's all right, Phoebe. Next, we're gonna make a tortilla crown.
Awesome sauce!
Let's make a tortilla crown for Princess Peach. So, we've got 1 tortilla crown, and now we need to add some jewels. So I've got a raspberry and 2 blueberries. But Miss Hands, how are we gonna stick them down? With some cream cheese. Yummy! Perfect! 1 crown fit for a princess. Aw, I wish Princess Peach was here to see this. She'd love it. All right, let's put it in my lunchbox. Uh-oh, Mario. Looks like your lunchbox is getting pretty full, but I think we could put it on top of your Star Power sandwich. All right, be super careful. Ta-da! Oh, Miss Hands, it's perfect! Thank you so much for helping me with my lunchbox. Well, actually, Mario, I've got a little surprise for you. A surprise for me? Really? Yeah, wait there. All right. Oh, I wonder what it is. Ta-da! Whoa, Mamma Mia! It's me as a cookie. Yeah, I baked a little Super Mario cookie earlier, so I thought you could have it in your lunchbox. All right! Thanks, Miss Hands. Ta-da! One Super Mario lunchbox. Oh, it's perfect. Thanks, Miss Hands. My pleasure, Mario.
Wow, Mario, your lunchbox is super cool! But it's a little bit plain. I know. Let's decorate it! Awesome sauce!
Great idea, Fizzy and Phoebe. And Mario, look! I've got some special Super Mario stickers for you. Which ones would you like on your lunchbox? Oh, there's just so many. I think I want to have all of my friends on there. All right, well, why don't we go ahead and put Toad up there. Then, which one of Peach would you like?
The long one!
All right, we could put Peach down here. And what about Luigi?
I really like this one!
It looks like he's running. It sure does. All right, this is looking awesome.
Oh, Miss Hands, I think that's so silly.
All right, let's put you down here. And we're running out of room. I really like the Super Mario one. Perfect. All right, now time to arrange it on your lunchbox. Let's put Super Mario at the top, like that. Then we could put Luigi next to it. Why don't we put you underneath it like that? Let's put Princess Peach up here. And then Toad can go here. Perfect. Now time to stick them all down. Woohoo! My lunchbox looks awesome. Thanks, Fizzy and Phoebe, for all your help.
You're welcome. We're always happy to help our friends.
I hope my green pipe works.
I can help with that.
Yes, please, Fizzy.
All right, time for some Fizzy magic. Fizzy, Fizzy, oh Fizzy pop.
Woohoo! Thanks, Fizzy and Phoebe. See you later.
Bye, Mario. But don't forget your... Uh-oh, he forgot his lunch. Oh, dear. I'm sure he won't mind if we share it. Awesome sauce! Thanks for watching. I hope you all have a Fizzy fantastic day. We will see you next time.
All together now. Fizzy, Wizzy, Bo Busy Bop.